Alright, then rather pull my water hose out and have it to attach the water filter to the tap. I'm going to take the easier wrap, use my reserve water, my reserve rainwater here, and just tote it over there and water, with my little water bucket here. So let me set this thing down somewhere. I won't tip over. There we go. So let's go ahead and get some of this here. These buckets come in handy for when it don't rain for a while. I have this water here to hold me over with water in the garden when I don't want to use the water hose to do it. Okay. I got a couple of these little green things here. All right. I'm sweating. It's hot out here today. I know some of y'all may not be too familiar with hearing a country southern accent like mine, but anyway, hope y'all can understand what I'm saying. If you can't, then just use the subtitles. We hit it one more time, just in case it don't rain. Make sure the roots are hydrated enough until it rains again. Those of you guys who are watching this video, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button to help our channel grow. We can use that. So hitting that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that thumb up icon or like button, that helps out. We got to get this channel to growing. Okay. So I start putting truth in people's ears, and people can hear the message. Okay. Hope y'all like my Watch Me Grow show. My Watch Me Grow show series. Because I'm putting that weight on, I'm getting fat. I said forget it for a while. Forget being small for a while. As a matter of fact, I don't want to get small no more. So I've been small long enough, so it's time for me to go ahead and get big again. Not too big, but up to 70 pounds. Started out at 148. Started out at 148. Gonna get at least 200, hopefully. Get this thing hydrated nice. Okay. Rainwater is better anyway, so Mother Earth like rainwater. All right, that's it. It's nice and hydrated. Got those sweet potato slips moved from here to over yonder. Hopefully we get a nice yield of potatoes this year. Sweet potatoes especially, given I love to eat sweet potatoes. Although right now, these white potatoes will probably work better for me, given I'm trying to put some mass on. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, and I'll bring y'all back on another video so y'all can see me pick these green beans, that beautiful chard, and that gorgeous red Russian kale. So give y'all a nice little look at this garden again. Nice little look at it again. Y'all gotta go and get with it now. Go and get with it. Don't be afraid of this work now. It pays off. Can't trust no GMOs. Stay out those grocery stores and try to grow it yourself. It's healthy this way, baby. It's cheaper, more time consuming, but a lot cheaper and way, way healthier. Therefore, you live longer and have a much better quality of life. No one wants to drop dead from cancer, okay, or diabetes, or heart-related diseases, or any other crazy stuff that we have out there that's taking our lives by the day. Y'all get with it, man. Let me take y'all to the side. Y'all go get up on this here, you know what I'm saying? It's very pleasing, you know what I'm saying, to be able to grow your own food. Okay? Very pleasing. Knowing how to do something like this. All you gotta do is just invest in a few packages of seeds, and they don't cost no more than about $2.49, somewhere between $1.99 and $3, you know what I'm saying? So, and plant those seeds in the ground, y'all, and grow y'all some food now. Y'all stop playing around, go and do this. Stop playing around and go ahead and do it. All right. Anyway, I'll catch y'all back on the next one. Y'all be good. Remember, again, hit that subscribe button to help us grow. And stay tuned for other video series like my Watch Me Grow show. Y'all be good. Take care of yourself. Stay away from GMOs.